Welcome to Filing Splash, a derivative product of machine-readable filings created by Social Market Analytics and S&P Global. Machine-readable filings, also known as MRF, parses out textual data from regulatory filings and overlays sentiment and word count metrics. Filing Splash is designed to identify large changes in quarterly and annual reports, while also being able to drill down to view those changes. This is the homepage of Filing Splash. Here's a list of active U.S. equities with characteristics on the company itself and metrics on annual and quarterly reports. This includes sentiment and word count. The tabs at the top of the table allow you to filter between filing type, universe type, and the section within the filing. File type allows you to toggle between 10Ks and 10Qs, which are annual and quarterly reports. And the section allows you to drill down into the individual section within those reports. So management discussion and analysis, risk factors, and notes to the consolidated financial sheets. Universe allows you to filter between the entire universe of U.S. equities, recent filings, which are filings posted in the past 4 days, and a custom watch list of filings. To add equities to your custom watch list, you can either click on the star next to the ticker, so right there, or you could type in the company name itself. Filing Splash is highly customizable. You're able to remove columns by clicking the tab on the right. You're also able to shift columns by dragging the header left or right. In this table, there are general characteristics on each company, like sector, industry, market cap, liquidity, and the date the filing was last reported. We also have sentiment and word count metrics. Sentiment is a measurement of how positive or negative the language in the textual data is. Aggregated sentiment is an unbounded metric, which shows the sentiment for the section you are viewing. So in this case, we are looking at 10K total document. These values will change as you change items because the values only indicate what is shown in that specific item. So management discussion and analysis has a different aggregated sentiment than the entire document. Sentiment change is an important factor because this shows if sentiment has increased or decreased quarter over quarter or year over year. In this case, we can see Apple's sentiment decreased 2.29 when their total sentiment is 17.35 currently. This change is not super significant considering it is in the medium quintile, which I will get into further. Word count change is also an important factor because it shows if the document has increased or decreased in length. An established Harvard research paper titled Lazy Prices has shown that companies with large changes in regulatory filings tend to underperform the rest of the market. Word count change percentage gives you an idea of how significant that change was. All of these metrics are quintiled across the entire universe and categorized by lowest, low, median, high, or highest. Lowest means that the value is between the 0th and 20th percentile, whereas highest means the factor was in the 80th to 100th percentile when compared across the entire universe. So for instance, Microsoft's sentiment is in the 80th to 100th percentile, and their change in sentiment was in the 60th to 80th percentile. These quintiles are put in place to see how this value compares across the rest of the universe. This concludes the tutorial video for the Filing Splash homepage. Tutorial videos for other features can be found on filingsplash.com.